Presenting the 2011 Nissan Murano. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.